So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want to add a contact form to your WordPress website, here's how to install Contact Form 7 in just a few steps. Firstly, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Then add New Plugin. Search for Contact Form and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate and you'll now see a contact menu in your WordPress dashboard. Just go to Contacts, Contact Forms, and then open the default form or click Add New to create a new one. Now copy the shortcode shown to your contact form and open the WordPress page where you want the form and pass the shortcode into a shortcode block. Click Update or Publish, then open the website and test the form. And that's it. Contact Form is now installed on your visitors and they can contact you directly through your website. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.